You searched how to buy shares of Odyssey Marine Exploration Inc. Odyssey Marine Exploration Inc. is a marine exploration and deep-sea recovery company that operates in salvage and underwater investigation. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OMEX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy OMEX, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OMEX to find the listing. Select the Odyssey Marine Exploration Inc. entry to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Odyssey Marine Exploration Inc., ticker OMEX. Make sure the company details match before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to spend. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled according to the broker's rules. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be completed. After execution, your OMEX position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.